what made Eldon get off the bus without any warning. It's a very beautiful day today. I am heading off to Oxford Street for Speaker Box Street Party. Today we are going to be promoting a brand, so we have an event over there. I'm just going to walk to the place where we're going to be having the event today. It's around 8 minutes from here.
DJ M King, segura, esta es tu. M King.
Which one is it? This one?
We've got varieties.
These are the trials, right? He can.
So these are the oils, yeah?
These are the trials.
Yeah. Looking for try?
How do you just weigh it?
Yeah, just put a little bit in your hand, it's oil. You rub it together, then you just put it around your legs. You can use it too.
Oh, the smell is nice.
So there were some amazing pastries on sale over here, and also irresistible and the most delicious tea I've ever had. I bought a small packet of £2 and I got a fortune cookie for free. So strolling ahead, I found a very cute heaven piece that was made by Maya, and it was very cute. I knew I had to buy it. It was super affordable. That's the picture of me wearing it at the same event.
M King.
Actually, हिंग म्हाका मगे तोंड दाखोवपा लागता हिंग म्हाका आनी कोणागे तोंड दाखोवपा तें सारकें भितर गेलां खूंय गेलां जेवणा भितर ते सोसा बारा झगडीं कोता म्हाका चोयना जेवण हाडलें नासतना आपण फकत जेवणा हितून भितर चोय बेब हितू जेवणा कित्याक मोग कोत्ता तूं बेब की तूं म्हाका पासून चोवपा इसरोल तें तेच जाल्यार केन्ना कितें हाड्या म्हाका पयलीं हांवयतालें आतां पयलें येयना सगळे ते सायडी वयता बेब हाव यू लायक your favorite place? Acha, tell them by the way where we are. Do you like your order? Why were you hungry?
Last time I finished my work and then I had an event in the morning. I didn't have time to eat.
चला आता हांव खाता कित्याक हांव अशें करून व्हिडिओ घेत रावलो न्हू जाल्यार म्हाका आनी एक ऑर्डर मारप पडटलो कित्याक ऑर्डर कवर जातलो सो मेळटा तुमकां आफ्टर द मंचिंग
Tells about me, but in no minute he finished the burger. My burger is still here on one bite, and look at that burger. In few seconds. Yeah, because I ordered all of these. He ordered only one thing, so he gets to eat only one thing. I need energy to dance again. Chor! Look at Chor. Finally, we are here at Trafalgar with Simon and Kiara.
Yes, I do.
Back again. We had problems at Italy, so we're back over here. And we have people already waiting for us to start, so let's get started.
Tell them where the people have come from.
They come all the way from Wales.
Okay.
They come all the way from Wales.
Wales.
Some reels. Yes. We're gonna do some reels, okay?
No, they come from Wales. The people.
Sorry, wait, reels is my English is ABCD. So let's try.
This is the funniest part of the vlog.
Follow me.
Follow.
Us.
Follow.
Follow me. I'll push
Finish, guys. See you tomorrow, okay?
Thank you, Kiara.
Yeah, she's the best. Thank you, Louis Dolma. What's up, bro?
What's up, my man?
Yeah.
My man, what's up?
Dolma, Dolma, DOLMMA. That is CHICHI.
Follow us.
Bye.
What made Eldon get off the bus without any warning?
Look at this beauty. Just look at it.
Men will be men. Literally, guys, we were in the bus, few stops away.
Like how can you not like I can sit here whole like for a month, you know?
For
just
what?
Sit here staring her like this. Like wow.
Nobody stares at me like that way.
Yeah. You can sit inside her, then I will look at you.
Sachin,
You can sit inside the car and then I will look at you, but
laws like you did of mine.
wow. Wow.
When I dress up, or even if I'm just normally with him, I have to ask him, babe, how I look? Do I look okay? Like, am I fine? Some changes. Like, no, babe, you look good. You look good. I have to ask him, okay? By the way, I have to ask him. And over here, for this stupid car, he's like, wow. Wow.
No, stupid.
Wow,
Look
wow,
at
wow.
the car. Don't say anything to the car. Then,
Stupid car.
otherwise, we're going to argue on this.
Stupid car.
I don't want to be.
He didn't even see anything, you know. He just told me, he's like, oh, that car is so nice. The color of the car is so nice. And we reached the bus stop and the people were getting off. He's like, let's get off, let's get off, let's get off. And we're like running down the stairs and I'm like, my God. And this is what happens. Ah, what a day. What a day. What a day. He's literally not here. From this angle to that angle. Where is he? You see him, guys? To that angle. It's cold. It's so cold today. It started to rain. Come, it started to rain. It's not showing any bus timings at the moment. Just gonna leave my hair. कोई मुझे प्यार नहीं करता, कोई मुझे प्यार नहीं करता. Let's run.
What's the name of this color?
No.
It's China blue.
Okay.
Wow. Wow. Both the cars in color. Both the cars are the one that I want in my garage.
Amen. So we are finally home. It's right now 12 o'clock. We reached, I think 20 minutes back. But I was just relaxing and getting changed and stuff. I'm gonna make these for dinner right now. We're going to eat these, but I'm going to make it like an Indian style with onions, garlic, and some frankfurters. So let's see how it comes out. My noodles are ready and it's almost 1 o'clock. He's so tired. Look at this, it's already ready. When he's tired knows, but he's so adorable and he snows as well. Get up, come. I already cooked. This is going to be a quick dinner. After a very, very long time of having noodles, look at him. He's very tired, guys. So we're just going to dig into it. Look at it. विदेशी नूडल्स को भी हम देसी बनाते हैं.
Okay. It's really tasty.
विदेशी नूडल्स को हम देसी बनाते हैं.
Thank you, Babita.
I love you.
Your mom.
3 noodles, 3 flavors we put. Chicken, barbecue chicken, barbecue beef, and curry. 3 different kind of noodles he bought. He made me buy.